guys, I am Mr. iPhone. What, Mr. iPhone? Okay, hi guys, Dubla from the dubaiplus channel. Welcome back, and today we will be unboxing the iPhone we bought from the Apple Store in Mirzif from the last video. And yeah, remember to like if you like the video. Even if you like the video, remember to share it, comment, like, subscribe. You know the drill.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल दुबई प्लस। जैसे कि अब्दुल्ला मेरे साथ है आज, तो हमने आईफोन 11 बात किया हुआ है, तो अनबॉक्सिंग आज करेंगे आईफोन 11 की। तो हम आपके साथ भी ये शेयर करेंगे ताकि हमारे जो व्यूवर हैं वो भी आईफोन के अनबॉक्सिंग को हमारे साथ देख सकें। तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि आईफोन 11 ये 6 कलर में लेटेस्ट वन एंड अवेलेबल इन 6 कलर।
Yes, I would prefer green, of course.
Yes, yellow and green and purple.
Orange also.
Not orange, yellow.
Orange is there.
Okay, same orange and yellow. You can say yellow color and black, white and red color. These 6 color are available in this one.
Yes.
And our ultimate choice was a black color. You can see this one, black color. But Abdullah's favorite color is green. So
A green, a aqua, a blue, because it wasn't looking like green.
तो अब्दुल्ला ने अभी कहा है कि ठीक है, आपने अभी ब्लैक चूज कर लिया तो आप ले लें, लेकिन
I'm looking forward to my birthday video where I get my green iPad.
he is thinking कि मैं ग्रीन
I'm looking forward to my birthday video where I get my green iPad.
अब्दुल्ला अभी उसने बात किया कि अभी मैं जो मेरी बर्थडे है ना, दिसंबर में अब्दुल्ला की बर्थडे है, तो
Yeah, it's getting really close, guys. It's getting really close.
ओके, नो कम टू द रियल पॉइंट कि हम अभी अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे और अब्दुल्ला अपने हैंड से इसको अनबॉक्स करेगा। ओके अब्दुल्ला,
Okay.
go ahead, first show this. Yes, one thing I just
It
want
is
to
128 GB.
GB iPhone 11 black color. Okay,
Yeah.
Abdullah, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, where do we open this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
So,
There it goes. Wait
okay.
a second. Do I need scissors for this? Seriously?
No, go down. No, why you are?
What?
Go down like
Ah.
this. Like this.
So the whole thing's wrapped with this.
Okay. So this,
Okay.
no, this one.
So this is unpacked and it's heavy as titanium.
Yeah. This one, iPhone 11,
Yes.
black color.
Yeah.
Okay. Now.
Now.
Abdullah. Okay, we will open this one. Wait 1 minute.
Okay, just do it
But, yes, like this.
like this and then dump it out.
Like
I've got my hands under it. Make sure it doesn't break, okay?
Oh.
And there it is. The iPhone.
See,
Look at that, guys.
it's looking awesome.
And I think that
Don't
this
wait.
I think this has got something like flash down here. Something like flash or something. And then here's the classic Apple logo.
You can see, ये देखें, ये बहुत ये प्यारा लग रहा है। इस पे आईफोन का लोगो जो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। मैंने देखा है दूसरे जो 6 जो इसके टोटल कलर है ना, उसमें ब्लैक कलर पे और रेड कलर पे ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट ये लोगो नज़र आ रहा है आईफोन का।
Yes.
ओके, अभी ये इधर रखेंगे हम।
Okay, so let's open
this one.
up.
What we have?
I think this is like instruction guide.
Yes.
Something like that.
Yeah, this one.
What?
Wait.
AirPods?
Oh yes.
AirPods, guys. Ah.
Yes. Good.
How did this happen?
This is where.
How did that happen,
You can
guys?
see
Please
airport.
tell me in the
This
comments.
Oh,
Yes.
Bula, see, it's looking good and nice one.
Yes,
Show.
it is.
Show to our viewer also. Like
Look at
this.
those.
Like this.
Are those Apple AirPods or
Yeah,
Apple?
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
You can see this one. And then there is a USB
The
cable
cable.
for this charger.
Yes.
See this one.
And also we've got the charger itself.
Yes, this.
I don't think it will fit.
Yes.
Will it?
जैसे कि हम आपको इसके बारे में बताएं, ये जो iPhone 11 है, ये जो प्रीवियस वर्जन है आईफोन की RX आईफोन, उससे 1 आवर मोर लास्ट करता है इसकी बैटरी का जो टाइमिंग है.
I got Apple stickers, guys.
Yeah, this is Abdullah's favorite. This is Abdullah's favorite. You know, he was waiting. Abdullah was waiting for these sticker, iPhone sticker. Abdullah was waiting for this one. He loved this one.
Yeah. Even on your last phone, you had these stickers on them.
iPhone 7, we also got this.
Yeah.
Okay,
but
keep it here.
we didn't
Let's
have our
stop.
channels that time.
Yeah, that time we don't have channel. Keep it here. What these are the things, okay?
Yeah.
Keep
I
all the
just
stuff
love the fact that we got a free AirPods.
Yeah, this and with looking very good. This one.
Yeah.
ये instruction book भी है.
Yeah.
ये
Maybe there's some gift cards inside.
gift card.
No.
All language: Arabic, English, Spanish.
No. Ah.
Hello, your phone. Hello, iPhone.
Yes,
Hello.
Mr. iPhone.
Yes.
I will.
Yes, there is also this pin जो कि सिम को चेंज करने के लिए पिन है, इसमें इंक्लूड होती है. ये देख. और
And
ये
yeah,
yeah.
I'm going to put a custom wallpaper as soon as I get inside of the phone.
Okay. Now keep all the things here.
Yeah.
Keep here.
Is the iPhone fully charged?
Let me check. We don't know. We will check it. Okay.
And it's the pin
Keep
thingy.
here. These are the things are.
Yes.
So, okay.
Okay, let's pick up the iPhone slowly.
Slowly.
So there's the iPhone itself. So should we?
1 minute, just 1 minute.
This is not Iceland where our
आप देख सकते हैं ये इस साइड पे इसका वॉल्यूम कंट्रोल है.
yeah and
और दूसरी साइड पे पावर ऑन और ऑफ वाला है.
yeah
दिस वन.
but guys listen on you remember in the video before the last video I said that my channel Abdullah World there's gonna be a lot of gameplay videos coming on that channel. Okay guys.
Thank you for information. और अब्दुल्ला ने
Yeah.
अपने चैनल के बारे में भी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी है कि नेक्स्ट फ्यू डे में.
Okay, let's open this thing up.
ओके और सबसे एक जो मैं आपको इम्पोर्टेंट बात शेयर करनी है आईफोन 11 के बारे में, ये इसका कैमरा है. ये आप देख सकते हैं ये
Yeah, it has really good
दो कैमरे नजर आ रहे हैं.
You know,
और
guys, you know that there's a Reno phone, iPhone or something like that. It has like 4 small cameras.
Yeah, this is
Reno
iPhone
3.
Pro Max. iPhone 11 Pro Max have 3
No,
camera like
4.
this. Yeah,
The one.
ये जो कैमरे के बारे में मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि ये इसमें 2 कैमरे हैं 12 मेगापिक्सल के. तो इसमें वीडियो स्टेबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है. ये जो
It has
iPhone में
ultra zoom also, I think.
यस, इसका 12 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा है फ्रंट और बैक पे. और ये एक बहुत यानी क्वालिटी है इसमें कि वीडियो स्टेबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो वीडियो के लिए स्पेशली ये कैमरा आईफोन बहुत अच्छा है.
Does it have ultra zoom?
Yes, 2 time you can say zoom. Okay, अभी हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप की तरफ चलते हैं.
Let's start it.
Okay, Abdullah.
Okay. Do I start the phone? Yeah.
First, we need to
Oh.
do this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Show.
There it goes.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello? iPhone? Mr. iPhone? Mr. iPhone? I think he's sleeping.
Okay, wake up.
Are you awake? Ah!
Wake up. Okay. Abdullah, hold
He's
this.
awake. Okay. Now just wait. Wait. Wait.